Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tikoy without egg. First, slice your tikoy into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. Next, create a light batter by mixing 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour with about 1/4 cup of water until smooth. Dip each tikoy slice into this simple batter, making sure it's fully coated. Then, fry them in hot oil over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become delightfully crispy. Another fantastic way to prepare tikoy without egg is using a cornstarch coating. Begin by slicing your tikoy into your preferred shapes, keeping them around 1/2 inch thick. Lightly dust each piece with cornstarch, ensuring an even, thin layer. Then, pan-fry them in a small amount of hot oil over medium heat. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side until they achieve a lovely golden color and a wonderfully crispy exterior, while remaining soft and chewy inside. For the best results, always use fresh tikoy, as it yields the most desirable texture. When frying, avoid overcrowding your pan. Cook in batches if necessary to ensure each piece cooks evenly. Keep your heat at a consistent medium setting to prevent the coating from burning before the tikoy softens. Remember, tikoy is best enjoyed immediately after cooking, when it's perfectly crispy on the outside and wonderfully chewy within. Once your egg-free tikoy is perfectly cooked, there are many delightful ways to enjoy it. You can serve it simply plain, appreciating its natural sweet and chewy goodness. For an extra touch of sweetness, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Pairing it with a sprinkle of freshly grated coconut adds a lovely texture and flavor. It's also a fantastic treat to enjoy alongside a warm cup of tea or coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.